G'day, I'm Mark Vender, editor of HVAC&R Nation. HVAC&R Nation is a free monthly magazine dedicated to the refrigeration and air conditioning trade. It has the latest industry news, feature articles on special projects, and highlights stories of people working in the sector. It also has the Skills Workshop, a special pull-out section focusing on a specific task or detailed aspect of Heatcraft. In the June issue, we look at humidification and dehumidification. Although we generally talk about temperature when discussing comfort conditions, humidity is a big part of the equation too. And that's especially true as we move into winter and HVAC systems switch to heating mode. We've also got features on the updates to our national training package and the emergence of heat pumps as a must-have appliance in Aussie homes. You'll find HVAC&R Nation in over 275 locations around Australia. Check out the list below. So grab a copy and happy HVAC&R reading.